Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I am now going to do my unboxing for my June box, which June is almost over, so as you saw in my last video, I'm a little bit behind, so I have to get up. So this one's cool, look at how big it is, it's nice. The other one was long and flat, and this one's kind of like biggish, but a little bit taller too. And this month's box is called Concentrate. It looks like a little, it might be a little coffee machine, which I wanted to get because I could use it on set. And also when I travel. Like, it could be good for camping or road trips, which I'm taking a road trip with my father in the next couple of weeks because he's moving. He's moving because my mother passed away. He's moving to go with my sister, and I want to make sure he's safe, so I'm taking a road trip with him, which should be fun. But now we're doing this one. Okay. Let's open it here. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Oh, first thing we see is Concentrate. Ooh, look at that. That's what it looks like. Oh. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm a coffee drinker. Okay. Ooh, first thing. Cold brew coffee maker. Da 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 da. Here it is. It's also in French. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'll be the talk of the town on set if I bring that. Just a bunch of stuff we don't need here. Paper. Oh, there's something else here. We'll look at that in a second. Okay, paper. Let's throw that over there. Okay. This says bitter. I don't know what this is. I put my glasses on because I'm old now. All right. This is in the picture they sent me, too. Bitter Cube, bitters, Bolivar, chamomile, jasmine, cinnamon, and dried fruit. Ingredients, alcohol, water, prune juice. Oh. All right, well, I have to figure out what this is, but yeah, that was in the box. And then now there's this little box, which it looks like it's supposed to be some sort of ceramic thing. All I need in my room is another more ceramic thing. All right. So let's see. All right, there's more paper. Recycle. Just more stuff to recycle. Okay, so there's nothing in there. Just used for spacing. Cardboard for spacing. Okay, so. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Oh, look at this. It's filled ceramic. This must be a mug. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's heavy. Could be used as a clue in the clue game. It's so heavy. And this is also this matches it. So you have this right here. See, it's really pretty. Let's go on top of it. Which is how it looks in the thing, but I don't know what it is. So, I'm about to do more research. Here, let's look on the thing. Let's see what it is. I mean, I think it's cool, whatever it is. I'm sorry, I'm just looking on the website here if it says what it is. It doesn't. Well, you know what? I like surprises, so I figured out. I mean, it looks like... Here, let's see. It is... I'm looking at the website right now. Got a cold brew iced coffee maker. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's a concrete desk set. Oh, it's a desk set. So I get it. You make your coffee. You can start your day. That's a nice desk set. So it's not a mug. I apologize about that. It's so round. So it has, okay. So this is a. Oh, it's good. I have a new desk. So this is a mug for your pencils. It's small cement and recycled granite. Oh, the whole set comes from a husband and wife duo who craft all their goods out of Southern California. I apologize, South Carolina. I should probably read more. And then the Bolivar bitters. Sure, they're gonna. Oh, this is for the iced coffee. So it's just something to help you infuse your iced coffee. Oh wow, we'll have to try that. Awesome. Okay, well, thank you for bearing with me. I did not read it as well as I thought I did. So you have a nice desk set, which is good because I record everything here sitting at my desk. And then this is really pretty, so I gotta find a place to put it on my desk. I try to do gifts that are really for traveling because I like traveling. I don't know if you can travel with this. Maybe if you're doing a road trip, maybe if you're camping, but it doesn't look like you can put it on a plane. So I will not do that. But either way, it's still an awesome thing. Like a lot of people go hiking or go camping, and this makes a nice ice brew coffee. So I have to put it together and try and let you know what I think. So, all right. Well, this is my Bespoke Post June unboxing, and this is Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I will see you on your next adventure.